Hello, you're welcome to this video. Now in this video, we'll be recognizing the composition of functions. Now in a previous video, where we brought two simple functions together to produce a complex function. For example, we had functions, say f of x and another function g of x, right? So we combine them together to form a complex function or a new function. We say f or g of x. This produced a single and a different function. Let's say f of x. Right. So that was what we did in our last video. We bring two simple functions together. After a composition, a composite function was created and a very complex function as well. So that's why we have a capital f of x. So in today's video, we will be decomposing this complex function to get back the two simple functions or three functions that we combine together to produce it. So if we are dealing with this compound function f of x, we are going to decompose it such that if we recognize these functions back, these two single functions which formed it. Alright, so that's what exactly we're doing now. So we will take an example to illustrate that. Now, given that the complex function f of x is equal to 4th root of x plus 9, right? If that's equal to 4th root of x plus 9, then the question now is find the functions f and g. Okay, find functions f and g such that this function f of x is equal to f of g of x. So we should find f and g such that this compound function was produced by the composition of these two single functions f of g of x. This implies f of g of x, right? So we are going to be decomposing this one to get f and g, and we are going to check it back, put it back to see if we get the capital F to be sure we are correct. So let's try to decompose this function now. So having that the capital F of x is equals to the 4th root of x plus 9, what do we say about this? I would say, okay, now observe in the radicand that 9 was added to x, right? So if we say that our g is equal to x plus 9, and as well, you can also observe that after adding 9 to x, the 4th root of the result was taken. So if I say f is equal to the 4th root, okay, this is actually g of x, g in terms of x and f in terms of x. So if f is taken, f can be the 4th root of x. Alright, now if you combine these two things together, let's just check if at all we're correct. If we combine these two things together, we will have f or g of x, close it, will be equal to f of g of x is what? Is x plus 9. This is g of x, x plus 9. Alright, close it with the blue ink. Now let's look. F of x is defined to be the 4th root of x. Therefore, f of x plus 9 will be the 4th root of x plus 9. And the 4th root of x plus 9. Now, look at this. This looks like this, right? So, if f is equal to the 4th root of x and g of x is equal to x plus 9, then the function, the capital F of x, can be produced. Therefore, f is equal to the 4th root of x, f of x is equal to the 4th root of x, and g of x is equal to what? X plus 9. So these are the two simple functions that came together in combination to produce the capital function.